I wonder what to say to her. I question where I wanna be. I stop judging her. I tell her who I wanna be. I'll lose, not free, not free. Like a woman, like a woman. Ooh, like a woman. Ooh.
Well, what a lovely, lovely day. Absolutely glorious weather here as we welcome you to a football match of considerable significance, great consequence in this part of the world. We've been talking about this one for a while and they have rolled up to it in fantastic numbers. You should have seen the roads outside the ground in the hour or two leading up to it. It has been bumper to bumper, the traffic has been extraordinary, but the level of expectation is also very, very high. And these supporters who were queuing round the block for their tickets as soon as we knew the date of the fixture, well, now they can't wait for it to begin. And begin it will any second now. Well, this really is a great venue. It adds so much character to every game at Stages. Just joining us, we are already on the way. Well, Peter, I'm looking forward to seeing a player who has brought some new skills to the game, Ronaldinho. He looks one way and passes the other, unconventional and cheeky, but always, always an enjoyable watch. Yeah, he's playing beach football on the grandest stage of all. The entertainer. Ronaldo tried to play it through. That just required a bit more oomph to reach its target. Well, he goes looking. Lucas Vázquez. That's Hummels. Bonucci. Alex Telles plays it forward. De Bruyne, forward it goes. Ronaldo needs to come up with a better ball. Encourage the pass with an intelligent run, but the pass just lacked pace. Iniesta. Seen Jim over the early moments of the game. Well, I think both teams. He hits it! Oh, good effort, he got plenty on that. That's a great effort. There was very little backlift to indicate what was coming. Cuts it out. Triol tries to get it forward quickly. It's Cristiano Ronaldo. Lucas Vázquez. Iniesta. Koviak doesn't get the pass he's looking for. And it's Son Heung-min. De Bruyne. Belts one. Can get it clear. Ronaldinho. He gets past his man. And it's Lucas Vázquez. Davis. De Bruyne. He's made sure that that won't get through. Calm, gets it away. No, that is pretty much the end of that. Iniesta. It's Iniesta! He's pulled off a fine save. Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping. Shot a goal! Tries to clear. Lucas Vazquez drives it forward. He's left his man. Lukaku. Lukaku! Decent enough try. Lukaku clearly became one-eyed then. He just decided to force it. Iniesta. Mbappe. Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh, he's had a goal! There it is! Perfect placement. The one place the keeper couldn't reach. Well, I think two keepers would have had a hard time keeping that one out. Never mind one. There was real venom in the strike and clear composure from the placement. Deadlock broken, it's 1-0. It's so often the case with goal scorers, little influence, and all of a sudden, bang. And it's Son Heung-min, looking for space out wide. And he's there to cut it out. No, that's not the ball he wanted. Anything between the sides, and it's 1-0. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there. Was too timid to make it through the defence. It'll be noted and improved upon, I'm sure. Messi. Flag offside. Alex Telles hoists it forward. Ronaldinho looking to run onto it. That's a corner kick. And he's there to clear it. Oh, he's gone for it! Just off target. That's a little unfortunate. He had a lot of people worried then. It's Ronaldinho. Gets the better of his man. Ronaldinho. Defence got the better of him this time, but I'm sure he'll go again. Cristiano Ronaldo. Mbappe. Mbappe is alert to the possibilities, but in the end it's fruitless. Cristiano Ronaldo. He's cut it out. Away from immediate danger. And it's Messi. Oh, good take in a good area. Too long getting forward. Well, the whole idea of a good breakaway is to leave the opposition struggling to get back, and they were just too slow. And that's a goal kick. Alex Telles. Now it's Ronaldinho. Promising move that. Good inroads into enemy territory, but no joy. Iniesta. And it's played forward. Iniesta. Played out to the right. Cristiano got a shot away. Done very well to get to that. The keeper really... We hit half-time. Here we are, halfway there for half-time. We did indeed come in the first half. But there has only been that one goal. Very, very tight. It's the first half compared with your expectation.
I think the scoreline offers a fair reflection of the level of endeavour from both teams. I think they lead because they did most of the probing. A little more penetration, I think, should help them get the job done.
Leading 1-0 at the break. The game has already resumed here.
Well, 1-0 may be good enough, so they may err on the side of caution and get more players behind the ball instead of running beyond it. They could even try to spoil it from here, we'll see.
Iniesta. Iniesta needed to come up with a better ball.
Yeah, the idea was right, the delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on.
Dinks one in. Header! Oh, that's a terrific save from the keeper.
Lukaku really must have felt he had the measure of the keeper then, but how wrong he was.
Has a look and has a go. Iniesta. And the through ball is intercepted. Dashing forward at pace. Needless to say, he was expecting a better ball than that. Goes long. Lucas Vazquez looking to get on the end of this. Danger averted for now. It's Ronaldinho! Messi. Kovacic is the guilty party there. Iniesta. More than happy to take the muscular approach. Manchester United get it back again. Kovacic. He's got away. Defending of the desperate variety. Well, the ball's come loose and the chase is on. No messing about, just bludgeoned away.
They've been denied a chance to develop any rhythm in the passing department.
Mbappe. Alex Telles. Triol. Wolves too strong there. Messi. Now the counter. Out to the right. Goes long. Hit long and direct. And he's there to keep it away. That's Hummels.
So far, Jim, they're ahead, but they're not playing as if they are. There seems to be more of an emphasis on protecting their lead than adding to it. It's all gone a little timid.
Was one quality pass away from being a very decent chance. Looked very promising.
Look, the game is full of ifs and buts. If only the pass could have completed its journey.
Ronaldinho. It's out for a goal. De Bruyne. Messi gets it back. Mbappe. Needed a better pass there. Chance! He's got away with one there.
Well, I think the opposition was pretty sloppy in creating a problem for themselves then, but he was onto it so quickly and very nearly made the play.
Drives it forward. Gets away from his opponents. Corner given. And the shot! Shapes to shoot! Well, he should have done better, and he knows it.
Savage did give it a fair old crack, and he'll be encouraged to step up again.
That's been won straight back. It's come loose. Lucas Vazquez going for goal! In it goes!
Listen, the writing was on the wall. It looked like this was going to happen at the house.
That was easy. Almost too easy.
Well, it's pretty damning on the part of that defence, Peter, that he was allowed so much time and space. But I think you have to give credit where it's due. And it was a brilliant setup and finish.
That has certainly made things interesting.
Listen, with the momentum that goal gives them now,
Big chance! That's a real chance missed.
Iniesta has delivered a really costly miss. It could have been their last chance to win it.
It'll be a throw-in. Here's Lukaku. Son Heung-min. It's Cristiano Ronaldo.
Look, this can still go either way. It might be flowing one way, but there's still time for some ebb.
Get a throw in. Cristiano Ronaldo. He's had a shot! Oh, surely that deserved better.
That was created because of good lively movement, which pretty much dictated the pass.
Up he gets! No, he couldn't find the finish. That's been levered clear. And they've got it back as soon as they gave it away. And here's Ronaldinho. And it's Ronaldinho!
Well, both sides might have to settle for a draw here, although there's still a chance for one last fling.
Out to the left it goes. Back into the middle. Oh, well defended. That had to be done.
You wonder if that's it now, but there may be one more opportunity, Peter, for a late steal here. Well, both sides might have to settle for a draw here, although there's still a chance for one last fling.
Needing to be better than that, and he knows it.
You wonder if that's it now, but there may be one more opportunity, Peter, for a late steal here.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldinho. Messi, Mbappe, it's one! It's going to be 30 more minutes, no winner after 90.
I don't think either manager can have any complaints really, because you know that it's quite close to the winning goal, and it always lacked that spark.
So a brief breather, and then extra time. Minutes gone and nothing between them still. He's ruffled a few feathers, but well dealt with. Triol. Davis. Son Heung-min. It's Cristiano Ronaldo! Always going over the top.
Cristiano Ronaldo came up with a decent crack, but he knew rather quickly he'd gotten underneath it.
Alex Telles hoists it forward. Ronaldinho. And intervention was very necessary. Managed to get it away, has a hit! It's off target and by quite a way.
Manchester United really hard hit deserted by their composure and allowed frustration to take over. And it's not a good sign.
Puts it back. Davis. Going through, De Bruyne. Clears it out of harm's way, and it's been taken straight back to Cristiano Ronaldo. Iniesta. And it's De Bruyne! Oh, should have put that away. Poor kick by the keeper, he's just given it straight back. Done very well to intervene. Ronaldinho. Savic. Krychowiak. Ball's loose, who's getting there? Mbappe goes looking. Bonucci. Here it comes. Ronaldinho. Lukaku. Sergio Ramos is there to heave it away. is on the back foot. Extra time reaches half-time.
Well, there's plenty of potential for a final twist in this tale. I think there's bound to be some late drama in the final 15 minutes of this epic.
And so the last chance to find a winner. This has been enthralling. So what do the last 15 minutes have left? Let's put a stop to that. Now the breakaway. Triol does well there, alert. Really. Away possession cheaply. There's going to be another change here.
Well, his stamina was called into question then, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with his heart and the effort he put in. He was very willing, though, not quite able.
De Bruyne. And now they can launch a counter. He's through the middle. He's got away. It's anyone's ball. Oh, that is asking for trouble. That has sent him sprawling. It's gone a long way up and away. Bonucci knocks it away. It's Iniesta! Oh, that is an awful miss.
Yeah, on another occasion, although red wrong, make them right.
The changes then in quick succession.
Well, for me, this was the obvious substitution. He become just a little jaded, and as a result of that, he was most likely to make a mistake. I think sometimes when the body becomes tired, the brain goes with it. I think that's happened in this case.
Son Heung-min. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Good idea, just poorly executed. Cristiano Ronaldo. Timely intervention. Cleared without complication.
Well, both sides might have to settle for a draw here, although there's still a chance for one last fling.
Iniesta. To the keeper, try something new.
That's it now, but they're
Whistle's gone, that's a foul. Floats one over.
Well, both sides might have to settle for a draw here, although there's still a chance for one last fling.
That's it, having to separate them. It is penalties.
I can only applaud the sheer doggedness and tenacity on show in watching both teams refusing to lose. I mean, they both ran their socks off.
Well, the players look exhausted. One last act. We're back in a moment for penalties. He puts them one out.
He was always looking good there. Nice penalty.
Stepping up, the skipper. Cooling 1 inch.
He just did what he was asked.
Lucas Vazquez is second man up. Our keeper's gone the right way, but can't keep it out. second in line. Coolly into the bottom corner.
Well, it's never easy to step up and take a penalty, but he slotted that home with authority.
Lukaku will take the third penalty. That's a good penalty.
I thought he did really well to hold his nerve then and score that penalty.
The third man in the queue. 3-3. Kovac is the fourth man to step forward for them. No, it's been saved.
That's a super save from the keeper.
He steps up to take the fourth penalty. Oh, it's saved. Pretty much straight at him.
That was right down the keeper's throat. It was an easy save to make in the end.
Savic with the last of the first 5 penalties.
Oh, that was a great strike. He just gave the keeper absolutely no chance.
Lest you need reminding, miss this and it is over. Oh, nerveless.
Yeah, made his mind up very quickly and just didn't waver.
Now we're into the realms of sudden death. And the keeper's come up trumps.
That's a lovely stop from the keeper. He's got his teammates proud with that one.
Iniesta steps up, this to seal it. Oh, he saved it!
He's put that straight at the keeper. It's simply not good enough.
So we're on to number 7, lucky or not. Could have taken the keeper with it.
Well, he strolled up and struck that with great confidence. That's a superb spot kick.
So it's down to him to keep it alive. It's in, he's kept them in it.
Oh, that was a great strike. He just gave the keeper absolutely no chance.
Where does this end? Their 8th penalty taker. He has nerves of steel.
He was always looking good there. Nice penalty.
He cannot afford to miss.